it strong and loud. One love still lives on in every song. Buffalo Sawyer keeps marching along.